So we already had recovered previously. Just gonna check if it has any pressure, and it's flat, so no pressure. So now we're gonna start taking off. We're gonna replace the dryer and the new compressor. I just like to score it. I'll score it all around. Should look good right there. And we'll check for restrictions once we charge it up. We'll charge it through the high. The figure of this, 2 on top, 1 on bottom, and this new compressor, it's 2 on the bottom, 1 on top. So one of these terminals is open. They're not using it. They're only using 2. So you got to figure out which one's your power, which one's your common. Let's do these 2. So that one's it. That one's your power and your common. If I go up here from power, it's open. This terminal's open. And go through here, there's nothing. So these bottom ones are the ones that we're looking for, 7 to 9 ohms. Let me send you a new cover. So we're gonna install the overload in here. And since it's red and black, red is your power, black is your common. You know, these 2 are the ones that we need. We're gonna install this right like this. This angle. So these are our 2 terminals right here at the bottom. These are the 2 ones we need. And we're gonna install it like this. There it is. And just snap the cover back in. And we'll put your ground right here. And then snap it in. That's a lot of flux. Okay. So we'll do this joint first, and then we'll do this one. So use 45%, that works way better. Check it out. And from steel to copper. Capillary. Condenser to the compressor. That's 45%. $30,000, 4,500. Which one's believable? I like that one better. $787. Vacuum creates holes. The vacuum gauge to your Appian without the valve core, removed. Looking for 500. 6.17 ounce. Alright, so how many people really check microns on a refrigerator? Compressor and dryer were replaced. Schrader core was removed. Connected a micron gauge and line. And we're at 40. It got down to like 600 microns. Now it rose to 48. And on this one, 557. That one's a whopping 10,500. So I mean that either tells me, that's gotta tell us it has a leak. Well, I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to vacuum because the microns always seem to be real high. It brought down to 600. So my question is, I need to get vacuum rated hoses. The gasket looks good in here. Gaskets are good here. This gauge is reading 18.5. It went up from 10.5. Visibly we can see there's no leaks. This is a UV dryer, so right now we're gonna charge it. I mean, I'll only probably put a vacuum maybe for like 35 minutes. So I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to vacuum. Either get vacuum rated hoses. But let's check out. Let's see how the pressures. Let's see how the pressures look. I'm gonna charge it 6.17 ounces in liquid. We're using this app. Let's tear this unit. This is a side-by-side LG refrigerator. Single evaporator. Because we're gonna charge it. I'm gonna keep going because I have like 10 more calls and we're either gonna get called back on this and I'm gonna have to figure out a way to vacuum better. I didn't put nylog, so, and these hoses are not vacuum rated. So maybe that's the issue there. I need to get all vacuum rated hoses and pull a better vacuum than what happened right now. Okay, let's go ahead and charge it. Open up this. Charge it in liquid on the high. And at the same time, when we're charging in liquid on the high, we want to make sure there's no restrictions here, like it ain't, like the capillary didn't get plugged up. So we'll determine that. we'll throw in the liquid through the high, and slowly the low side should come up and equalize, and that's how we know we have no restrictions. So let's tear the unit, scale. Let's try. Alright, there we are. 0 ounces. Here we go. Open it up. 6.17. Six 6.2. 5.8, 6.2. Let's try to see if we can charge it a little bit more closer. 6 ounces, 6.2, 6.4, 6.2. It's close enough. 6.2, 6.4, so it calls for 6.17. So it's fluctuating there. 6.2, 6.4. Come on, you fucker. Alright, so now we're at 78, 79, and this is slowly rising, so that's good. It's a good indication. It's a good indication that there's no restrictions. So this is a UV dryer. If there was leaks here, it's been running for about 15 minutes. We'd see them already. No leaks. On the condenser, no leaks. And the leak lock and that lock ring, no leaks there. No leaks here. These are pressures. After 15 minutes of running, keep in mind it is hot in there. We're at 111 and 14 psi. Now this low side, when we come back, if we were to get a call back, this unit working should be at 0 to 10 psi. This one's 112, so we're right in between the ballpark already running. On this one, we're just gonna have to keep an eye on it if we do get a call back, but other than that, the pressures are good already. There's no leaks. And we're good here.